What's up, everybody, and welcome to RazzleDazzle Garage, where we like to tinker and just do anything that kind of makes us feel good. So, welcome to the channel. I want to show you guys project numero uno for us. It's going to be something that I've wanted to do for the last 12 years, and I finally broke down and did it. So, let's get right to it, and I'll show you what we got. Here it is. Project Miata. It's a 1992 Miata. It's an NA. It's got 180,000 miles on it. I got it at auction for $500. Runs, drives, it got delivered in February. I've driven it to work a couple times. Yeah, can't say I'm disappointed with $500, but let's give you guys a closer look at some of the stuff that's wrong with it and some of the things that we're gonna do. So right off the bat, it does have a salvage title. It looks like it's been rear-ended. That's broken. Trunk doesn't latch. But yeah, pull that out. It should be fine. I did have to put a new battery in it already, just so I could drive it. The old battery was shot, so that's that. Other than that, gotta get a new bumper. And of course, it's a 92. It's got some rust. We plan on repairing, so we'll see how that goes. This one's probably the worst. Hopefully we can get up in there and replace some of these body panels. I've already kind of looked into it. Other than that, all the tires hold air. One of them has a real slow leak, but not bad. Got pop-up headlights, can't argue with that. Let's get underneath here. Here's the engine bay, pretty dirty. I think this thing's been leaking oil. Looking underneath it, it's pretty grody, but hood latches, some more rust, not as bad though. And then this side's kind of bad too. But she works, she runs, she drives. Start investigating that. Here's the inside. There's no stereo, but that's all right. She could use a good detailing. Luckily I know a company, RazzleDazzle Detailing. I'll take care of this real quick. Soft top, it works, it latches. Back window's trash, but it's a convertible. It's not supposed to be driven with the top up, so we're gonna leave that down. Swap out some of the speakers. Yeah, gotta fix this. That guy's missing something. The windows don't really roll up and down. Well, they go up, but that's about as far down as that one goes. So, shifter needs to be rebuilt. Pretty sloppy in there. Need a new boot. Looks a little grimy. But all in all, she's a runner. She's a track star. And then just real quick, a couple other things you guys might see on the channel. This is my weed eater lawnmower. I did a pulley swap on it. Gave it a throttle pedal. And now the deck shifter is a handbrake. Mostly a proof of concept for me to see if making a racing lawnmower, drifting lawnmower thing is worthwhile. And it worked out really well. So over here, got a Murray that I'm working on. The frame right there is upside down right now, but I'm gonna work on lowering that down to the ground. And I welded the diff, and we're gonna hopefully get this thing drifting this summer. But I might post a little bit about that as well. So stay tuned, we got a lot of cool things coming. I'll do a little tour of the shop here soon and anything else we got going on. So yeah, that's my 92 Miata. That's what I'm gonna be working on. I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. One of the first things I'm gonna do is replace the valve cover gasket because it's leaking out a lot of places, burning oil onto the manifold, all that stuff. And then Probably the shifter rebuild, but I'll keep you guys posted. Hit like, subscribe, follow along. It's gonna be a good time.